US agricultural output nearly tripled between 1948 and 2015, yet labour and land use declined by 75% and 24%. These are enormous gains in efficiency. Today, one US farm feeds 166 people, yet 90% of American farmers still can't make a living from the land alone. Sustainability in the United States isn't just about the land, it's about livelihood. What's going to happen to Middle America? Can the rural economy survive? The American countryside runs the risk of becoming, to the early 21st century, what some deindustrialized US cities were to the late 20th century. Depopulated, hollowed out, and a shadow of its former self. Despite incessant propaganda to the contrary, agriculture is only responsible for 7.5% of total US greenhouse gases, as opposed to 30% for cars. And agriculture is the only industry capable of naturally sequestering carbon and naturally cooling our climate. So we're just at the beginning. Our environmental future is as much Central Valley as Silicon Valley. And America itself is the source of change. America sometimes comes late to the challenge, like in the Second World War. But when it does, it arrives with undeniable strength, power, and ingenuity.